This is unboxing for a TRENDnet model TEW-692GR 450 megabit per second concurrent dual band wireless N router. That is a mouthful, but this is supposed to be monstrously fast. So we're taking this out of the box here in a little bit. We're going to be using it in test with their dual band wireless and media bridge to stream high definition content from one end of my house to the other. On the back you can see kind of a basic usage schematic, the products that would be associated with this type of a router, as well as some limited material on capability in 7 different languages. Lots of interesting garb on the sides, basically specifications and features. On the other side of the box, not a whole lot there. Some TRENDnet legal information, nothing to see here. On the bottom there are specifications, everything from IEEE standard supported, the buttons, LED indicator, power adapter, voltage and power, consumption, dimensions, weight, temperature, humidity, and certification. Over here on the right hand side there are some more very technical specifics, the ranges that it uses, both internal and external, antenna transmission rate, modulation, data rates, channel supported, output power, and receiving sensitivity. So pretty interesting stuff. If you're into the specs, I think we're ready to jump into the actual product and the functionality. So I'll be ripping this one apart. In terms of the packaging, it's pain-free packaging. You saw I just took off one shrink wrap. Nothing crazy, no security on the sides, and it looks like it uses environmentally conscious packaging. There is a relatively Spartan amount of stuff in this package. Recycled cardboard retainer. There is a quick installation guide. Looks like that's in 5 different languages at least. A user's guide on CD-ROM or DVD, not sure. Version 1.01. Looks like it is a CD-ROM, in fact. We've got their standard TRENDnet power brick. Most of the TRENDnet products seem to be using this. It is a 12 volt, 1 amp adapter. And here is the router itself. Looks like it's designed to lay on its side. It is. It is not designed to sit on one end, as it doesn't have supports or legs. Interestingly enough, the ports are color-coded, with LAN being orange and WAN being blue. Kind of the opposite of what most manufacturers are using for markings, but certainly easy to tell one from the other. There is a stand that would attach and make this usable on its side. Looks like it goes something like that. And a 3-foot blue Ethernet cable. Relative to size, the device, I will show it near an iPhone. There is a size comparison. This is an iPhone 4 in a relatively small case. From a thickness perspective, the device is actually pretty thin, albeit nothing to write home relative to today's other routers. Some cooling fins on both sides. We have our 3 antenna, and the finish on the plastics are a high gloss black. There is a serial number and a MAC address on the bottom. Another top sheet of plastic. There is a WPS configuration button on the top. Everything else is just an indicator with a light and an icon. So we've got power, internet, LAN links 1 through 4, and Wi-Fi 1 and 2, and WPS. And then there's another indicator over here. I'm not sure what that's supposed to say as it's unlabeled. I'm sure we'll be finding out as we break into the review. Light product, ½ pound. Feels Feels robust enough. It is a consumer grade product. It's certainly not the thing you would use in an industrial environment. Looks well built. Looks like it was packaged correctly, and I hear nothing rattling or shaking inside. Overall, nice unit.